my YouTube channel, and today we will continue with the PUC first year concepts once again. Okay, the continuation of the previous one videos. Okay, in the previous video links you can check the comment section. Okay, comment ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ video links ಅನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ, then you can come to this problems now. Okay, in this video you are going to learn how to do the multiplication and division. Okay, it is not similar as that of the high school level. Okay, high school level ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ multiplication and division by the manual calculation. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ manual ಆಗಿ ನೀವೇ multiply ಮಾಡಿ number calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. But in this year you are all allowed with the simple calculator. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ simple calculator ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. But how to solve, that is quite important. Okay, observe the first problem carefully. 6.2 into 10 raised to 4 into 2.1 into 10 to the power of 3 or 10 raised to 3 you can be read. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiplication sign ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the whole number it is based on multiplication, therefore number to number multiplication, this 10 raised to power to 10 raised to power multiplication. Okay, first you have to rearrange these terms. Okay, terms ಅನ್ನು rearrangement ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is 6.2 into 2.1. Okay, it is written separate. And if you open parenthesis ಬರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that is nothing but multiplication. And it is 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to 3, and here we require the 10th level basics now. Okay, in the previous video we already discussed about this rule. Yav rule alli ide antandre it is nothing but a raised to m into a raised to n. Okay, a means ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇದೆ, that is we don't want, just observe here a raised to m into a raised to n means it is nothing but a raised to m plus n. Therefore 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to 3 means 10 raised to 4 plus 3 means it is 10 to the power of 7, and this number to number multiplication you can use the calculator. No need of manual calculation here. You are all allowed with the simple calculator, therefore just you have to take 6.2 into 2.1, you are getting the answer as 13.02, and it is the answer for first problem, and it is quite important for 2 mark in the annual examination. Okay, similarly I will continue with the second problem. Once again it is of the same method. 2.67 into 3.16, you have to rearrange these terms. It is 2.67 into 3.16, and what is remaining? 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 2. Again it is of the form a raised to m into a raised to n, therefore it becomes the 10 raised to 3 plus 2, it becomes the 10 raised to plus 5, and this number after multiplication you are getting the 8.437. It is regarding the multiplication. Then what happens if the same number given in a division? Okay, ಇದೇ number division ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂತಂದ್ರೆ just you have to changes this symbol. ಅಂದ್ರೆ multiplication ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ division ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Again with the same calculation you can solve those problem also. But it is for your homework. Therefore ಇದನ್ನ homework again comment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ answer ಮಾಡಿ. It is 2.85 into 10 raised to 3 into 4.2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 ಇದೆ. Okay, observe here it is minus 2, and you have to report in a comment section. Okay, number correct ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನ comment section ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ report ಮಾಡಿ. And if you are getting any difficulties in this formula you can check the previous video. Okay, previous video check ಮಾಡಿ, there you are getting the clear clarification regarding this a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, that is regarding the multiplication and division. After completion of this multiplication and division, next fourth problem, that is based on the addition and subtraction concept. Okay, it is quite different from this multiplication and division. The previous one more problems idala alli multiplication sign ittu, but here it is addition sign, therefore you should not continue as similar method. Okay, similar method ತರ a raised to m into a raised to n property use ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, because there is no similarity between these two numbers. Okay, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, therefore you have to take common here. But common ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು numbers ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. But how to get the same similarity in these two number? That is from the previous one class concept, that is the scientific notation form. Okay, a scientific notation form ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 raised to 3 ಇದನ್ನ 10 raised to 2 ಕೂಡ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, 10 raised to 1 ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, or 10 raised to 0 you can be write just by shifting the decimal point. By using that property you can able to solve this number. Okay, ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ that is going to be observed now. Second number I will write without any changes. ಅಂದ್ರೆ second number as it is ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ, that means 1.16 into 10 to the power of 2 I will write without any changes. But first number is quite important. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2.16 into 10 raised to 3 ಅಂತಿದೆ. Okay, this concept you already know. ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಏನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the present decimal point should shift towards the right side by 3 times to make it as 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 3 ಸಲ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ 2.16 ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ 21.6 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 10 raised to 2, 216 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ it is 10 raised to 1, and it is 2160 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ then it becomes the 10 raised to 0. But our intention is not to make this as 0. ಅದನ್ನ 0 ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ 10 raised to 2 ಆಗಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 8 ಸಲ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ by only one time, then it becomes the same number. True value changes ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. Just observe the same number 2.16 into 10 raised to 3 can also be written as 21.6 into 10 to the power of 2. This is quite important. I will repeat this point once again. We are shifting the decimal point right side by 1 unit, therefore 3 can be written as 2. Then the same number becomes 21.6 into 10 to the power of 2. Okay, after observe here 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 2, both are common here. Okay, it is another number, it is different number. We are making the common here, that is 10 to the power of 2 or 10 square is the common one. After this one, what is remaining here? It is the 21.6 plus what happens here 21.6 plus sign here, plus sign, it is 1.16. Okay, we have to add in a simple calculator. This is 21.6 plus 1.16. Okay, this number you are getting as 21.76 and into 10 to the power of 2, and it is the final answer for, it is not a 2 mark problem, it is the 3 mark problem. Therefore quite important for exam point of view. Okay, this step 1 is most important. Okay, 3 ಇದನ್ನ 2 ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು, that is quite important here. Okay, similarly you can be solved another one simplification, that is as a homework. Okay, fifth one problem homework ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, same method, that is the 6.78 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 1.6 into 10 to the power of 1. Okay, to solve this number with the same method, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 2 ಇದನ್ನ 1 ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and after that you are getting the one simplification number, that is you have to be reported in a comment section. For homeworks ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that problem number 3 and problem number 5, those are the homework, and these you have to report in a comment section. In my next video I am coming with the some other concepts of